you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Oh, yeah. All right, now this for the windiest, Courtney.
Okay.
What you got in here now, man?
It's for the windiest. Okay. For the windiest. So let me go on and go low.
Got them XV3s in here, right?
Yes.
What kind of amps you got back there now?
JPA3s.
Yeah.
Yep.
How many?
3.
3 of them, yeah. They do the job right there.
That does the job. Let me find that one windy song. You know what? We're gonna go with the song I know is windy. What?
We're gonna better keep this brace in here last time. That brace came loose on.
Yeah, I know, right? We're going for windiest, right?
Oh, yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's for windiest.
Thank you, nigga.
Got a main bitch, got a mistress. What? I'm a clown, but you shouting, man, I swear to God. In the trap, with some killers and some hood. What you wearing? What you trying? What?
You got me now?
Hey, nigga, get your weed, get your food, get your nigga. Got a main bitch, got a mistress. What?
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.